Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a good day. My name is Alamin bin Muhammad Sultan from University Technical Malaysia Melaka, and today I would like to present end-of-life metal recycling desirability model using critical factors integration for sustainability. In today's globalized world, there's almost no barrier for everything, especially on the supply chain of the management, the supply chain of the products. So you can just simply import and export all the tools, all the equipment, all the products. And this also has boosted the industrialization globally. And since it's a backbone for the economic development, it is focused and boosted by everyone, all the parties. And all of these at the end developed or created a useful product for the consumer, but at the end stages all of them turns into waste. So we have a huge amount of waste being dumped in the landfill, and industrial waste is huge as well. So the limitation of landfill facilities in Malaysia also be a pushing factor for the local authorities to find alternative to this landfill. In addition, the landfill is not a sustainable method for disposal. Nowadays, the study shows that we have limited strategic management tool to kickstart recycling activities from at the industry as well, at the industrial, focusing on the industrial waste. We have some, but limited functionality of the previous tools for Malaysian industrial context. These are the two previous or existing models for which can be used as a strategic management tool to initiate recycling. The first one is product complexity model by Dahmes and Gateski, and this model is focusing solely on how the material is being, or the product being disassembled for recycling. So it's focusing on the physical disassembly. So it's its limitation as well. And the second one is the product recycling desirability model, which is the extended version of the Dahmes and Guterski's. So here they have more factors. They add two more factors: criticality of the material and also the technology readiness of that technology for recycling, in addition to the material separation, which is the complexity index from Guterski. Unfortunately, the criticality of material is not applicable for Malaysia because there's no sufficient data on this. Makes this model can't be applied. So in this study, we identify a new factors which is preferred by or is important for the industrial player, and then we transform them into a score, and we try apply to some example of the product which is more metallic products. Okay, this is the desirability model where the critical factors been identified. We have simplicity of material separation. This is from we sustain this factor from Gateski and also from the product recycling desirability factors, and also the technology readiness, the availability of technology, the material volume index, and also the metal recycling index. So if we formulate this into score, and then we integrate the factors to come up with the metal recycling desirability index. When we apply to several cases, we have 5 products here, and this is the result based on the calculation. We can see from top corner at the right downwards are the important. So this would be the first, and this is the second, third, fourth, and fifth. The first is this product. So we can just compare with the Dahmes and Gateski. So there is diverse, is distributed like this, and in their model, this side is the important one, the first one, the electromagnetic clock. Why this product? In our case, this product is the third important based on the industrial preference, based on the factors given. Why? Because they're only focusing on the physical disassembly, but in our case, we are using more factors which is more preferred by the companies. So I would say, as a summary, this research would be a determination of critical factors such as recycling index and volume index being added into the measurement, in addition to existing factors like recycling technology and also the material simplicity. We hope this material recycling desirability index can serve to the future research possibilities in recycling to strategically to initiate products for recycling. Thank you.